Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm coming with 5 family-friendly dinner ideas. I love coming online to get dinner inspiration, so let's get started. The first meal I made this week was smothered chicken thighs. These were a super easy and delicious one-pot meal that my kids loved. I'm a huge fan of one-pot meals, especially during the school week, because they make my nights so much easier, especially since you start this dish on the stove and finish it up in the oven. Another night I decided to make some brown sugar garlic chicken thighs. These were super good and came together really quickly. You just season up and sear the chicken thighs and then let them finish cooking up in the sauce. These came out great, and I ended up serving this with some white rice and some steamed cabbage. The sauce was the perfect combo of sweet and savory, and we ended up having no leftovers this night. This meal will end up being one of my new go-tos for sure because my kids love this one too. And again, who doesn't love an easy weeknight dinner? Another thing my family loves is mac and cheese. So one night I made some super cheesy and delicious homemade mac and cheese, and there's nothing better than making it homemade. So the little bit of extra steps that go into it makes it all worth it, especially when the results look like this. We ended up having this mac and cheese with some steak and a Caesar salad on the side. And I swear this dinner could not get any better. And the nice thing about mac and cheese is there's always leftovers. So the next night I made some homemade chicken tenders, which we ended up eating with the leftover mac and cheese and some french fries. I marinated the chicken tenders in the fridge in a buttermilk mixture for a couple of hours, and they honestly came out so crispy. I also ended up making a homemade ranch for the dipping sauce, and this was a huge hit with my kids because you can never go wrong with chicken tenders. Lastly, I made some chicken fried rice, another easy one-pot meal. I just made sure to cook my rice the night before, and we ended up having this with some steamed dumplings on the side, and it was such an easy and delicious dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some ideas for your next meal. Make sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'll be posting these weekly, so I'll see you next week.